Good evening. Welcome to another video or that's gonna be very informative for you. Now, if you received Uniswap Airdrop last year, then you qualified for VALX token. You qualified for VALX token, VALX airdrop. Now, what is VALX airdrop? Let me take you to the place. Now, VALX airdrop just launched, and they airdropped 3,000. See, they airdropped 3,200 VALX to everyone who got the Uniswap airdrop last year. So now this token is on the Matic network. If you want to see whether you got yours, all you have to do is to go to um, you come to your MetaMask wallet. You come to your MetaMask wallet, you go to your browser, you go to your browser, when you go to your browser, you go to um just go to polygons, it's on the Matic platform. So you go to polygonscan.com. Think so. Now see, it's polygonscan.com. Then you copy your address. That address that you used to receive the Uniswap airdrop last year, you paste it here. You paste it here in this search button, and then you will see in the addresses that's going to come out. In the address that's going to come out, you will see that you received the 3,200, like that was several days ago, in your address, in the transaction list of transactions below the screen of your phone. So when you confirm that, next thing to do is for you to migrate, because it's on the Matic network, so it won't be reflecting in your Ethereum wallet. So if you did it in your Trust wallet, for most of you now, maybe you did it in your Trust wallet, all you have to do is, because Trust wallet will not really allow you to, load up Polygon. So you go to MetaMask and use your recovery phrase and load up your Trust wallet into your MetaMask so that you can access that same wallet that you used to receive the Uniswap airdrop. Now after you've done this, it's now for you to go um to the left hand tab, go to your wallet, tap up there, and switch the network to Polygon. When you switch to Polygon, now you need Matic and Ethereum for gas fees, because when you're moving the VALX token from Matic to Ethereum network, you have to pay Matic gas fee. And then when you're trying to now confirm receive it on Ethereum network, you have to pay Ethereum gas fee. So you will need very little Matic, and then up to maybe, just to be on the safe side, have up to $30 Ethereum gas fee. Now hopefully when this gets listed, because look at the news here, it's going to come to it's coming to Uniswap. It's coming to Uniswap. So if see, they'll add EarthFacts in Uniswap v2, they add liquidity. So as you can see, so they are coming to Uniswap. It's going to definitely come to Uniswap. So now After you've so what next should you do? The next thing to do the next thing for you to do now is to now do the migration, which you just simply go to under your browser. Under your browser, you go to um, wallet.matic.network, because you have to use the official Matic wallet to do that. So you go under it, you see under it you see um waiting for it to load. Then you go to apps, then you go to um Polygon bridge, because you need to, what you're not trying to do is you're going to use Polygon bridge to bridge it from the Matic network to the Ethereum network. So now this is the bridge now. So it's simply, because I went from Polygon to Ethereum, you click the switch, then under it below here you will see the VALX token here to show that it's actually on your Matic network. Then you put your marks, you select it, and then marks, and then you click on transfer. You click on transfer. When you click on transfer, it's going to bring out a pop-up for you to confirm transaction. So you will need to pay Matic as gas fee, the first one, and then when you confirm that one, it will take up to like 45 minutes to 3 hours to get to the Ethereum network. And when you get to the Ethereum network, just, you don't have to be watching it all the time. When you come back to the same place, the same part of the website, you will see it in the notification part. That is here, that is it showing 0 right now on top of the bell icon. And then you will see 1 there, and then when you open, you see the transaction, whether it's successful yet or not. So when it gets to Ethereum, when you check this and goes to Ethereum, it will now, you see the notification to confirm. When you confirm, it will collect the transaction fee, and then after a while you go back again and check, and you will see that it has been transferred to your Ethereum wallet. So if it's not showing Ethereum wallet, so if it's not showing yet, all you have to do is just to click on add tokens, and then you go to the website. See the website here. You go to the website, this VALX.org. Information for the token is here. That simply copy the contract address and then the decimal, so it automatically put the contract address here. It's just to load up. When it loads up, the name of the token will come out and you confirm it, and then you see your number of tokens. So hopefully when you get listed on Uniswap, this is going to be worth a lot of funds for us, especially for those of us that got the Uniswap Airdrop last year. Hope this video was useful. This is an opportunity for you to get an airdrop. Don't miss it. Thank you.